This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, unlock your iPhone and note whether it uses Face ID or a home button because the gesture differs. Once unlocked, swipe to open Control Center, swipe down from the top right on Face ID models, or swipe up from the bottom on older models. Make sure the screen is responsive. If not, wake it with the side button. Once you've pulled up Control Center, locate the airplane icon. If you prefer settings, open Settings and find Airplane Mode near the top. Now enable Airplane Mode. In Control Center, tap the airplane icon. It will highlight to indicate it's on, which immediately disables cellular radios. If you're in Settings, flip the Airplane Mode switch. Green means active, and this gives the same result plus quick access to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles below. You can also ask Siri to turn it on. That's handy if your hands are full. Once enabled, look for the small airplane symbol in the status bar to confirm radios are off. Finish by confirming the airplane icon appears in the status bar and testing that calls and cellular data are disabled. If you still need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can re-enable them individually from Control Center while leaving cellular off. This is useful on flights that allow Wi-Fi. If airplane mode won't toggle or the icon remains after toggling, restart the iPhone first. Make sure to try resetting network settings if problems persist. That clears saved networks, but usually fixes stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.